morning, team. Today the agenda is to learn about KTA02M. This device we have launched in India. We have multiple options available for you in the form of analog. As you are already aware that we have KTA02, we have KTA03, and now we have KTA02M also. So this M model is quite different to KTA02. The only difference majorly which you can see in this KTA02M is that the outdoor unit which will be there will be metallic. That is, it will be IP66 and it will be completely metallic. So today we will be focusing on the key features of KTA02M, and we will also do the unboxing for this kit and see how to connect these two units, that is VTO and VTH, and what kind of video resolution we can find which will be easy for you to show to the end customer and for your own information as well. So when we talk about the KTA02M, the major features are color video intercom. So it is basically an analog kit which comes up with a color video intercom feature. We have all the 4-wire option is available. It means that you can connect 4-wire sensors to this unit. We have plug and play option because these are all analog kits, so you are already aware that it's all plug and play when we talk about the analog solutions. Then analog camera integration can also be done with this kind of device. So you can watch 4 analog cameras on this device. You can integrate and you can watch. Support maximum 2 VTO and 3 VTH. That is, with this kind of solution, we can integrate 2 VTOs, 2 outdoor stations can be integrated with 3 more indoor stations. So for villa solutions particularly, where the customer is needing just an analog solution which is suitable enough to just confirm his requirements, then this product is highly recommended. We can connect 2 VTOs. So maximum you can see in villas or in any apartment solution, small apartment solutions, you can find that there are maximum 2 doors for entry and exit. So those 2 doors we can provide the VTOs, and we can have option of connecting up to 3 more VTH with these VTOs. So this is one of those, and group calling feature is the other aspect which we have in the analog kits. So without doing much ado, we will see. So when you order for this KTA02M, you basically end up getting this kind of kit. So with this kit, you will be getting, let's open and see what all things will be there in this. I have basically removed few of it, but let's see. So basically you get, when you open the kit, you get one indoor unit. This one indoor unit will be there. You get one power supply, a 12-volt power supply will be available to you. See, this is the 12-volt power supply you will be getting. Apart from that, you get one outdoor unit. So over there I have arranged one outdoor unit. You can see there, it's a metal outdoor unit. And let me show you what all we have in this brown box which is there. So you get one cover, one rain cover for your back cover for your VTO, the outdoor unit, for protecting it and for easy installation. So this prevents you. So this you find in the kit. Later on during installation, these things will be very useful. Another important product which you find in this kit is basically a holder for the VTH, for the indoor monitor. You need to you need to use this at the back of your indoor monitor. You can screw it down, and it will be easy for you to integrate on the wall. So this is there. Apart from this, as I mentioned, you get a power supply. 12-volt power supply is there, and you also get this. This is most important kit. So in this you find one Allen key. You find some cable holders. You get a lot of, for connecting your VTH, you get some units, pins. Units are there. So from this unit, I have taken out 2 things. First, I have taken one cable, one outlet, one socket I have taken for power, which is of 2 ports, and I have taken one 4-wire also, one 4-wire socket also, which I have used for connecting the indoor monitor. So without much ado, we will just see how these things can be connected. So what I have done over here is I have given power supplies to the positive and negative of my VTH, and all these 4 wires, that is black, white, yellow and red, I have connected directly with the outdoor units color codes. So same color, yellow is connected to yellow, black is connected to black, red is connected to red, and white is connected to white. And see, your device is ready. I have powered it on. I have given power supply. The device is ready. Now let's see for the call how the option comes up. So the call is there on the screen. You can see the visibility of the screen. I have not removed the plastic cover because I right now when it's falling directly on the light is falling directly on the kit. So with this low resolution video you can see it. So for picking up the call, the option is very simple. I pick up the call and I do the two-way communication. So you can hear to the echo that my voice is echoing because of the distance. But if you increase the distance between this VTO and VTH, this echo sound can be reduced. So this is how you take up the call. So let's see the key features in this, what all things you can do. So you can increase the volume, decrease the volume of your tone. You can increase, decrease the brightness and contrast. You can increase, decrease the bell volume. You can increase, you can use the DND feature. DND means do not disturb. So when I choose the DND feature, I will not get any calls from my VTO. So these are some of the basic aspects in this KTA-02M model. So this model is highly effective for the apartment or the villa solutions, and we recommend it for such kind of scenarios. The major point while we are discussing this with our end users, we can mention about the key features of this product, which I have already mentioned. With the key features I discussed in the beginning, is that it can have four wire solutions it support, and it has got compatibility of 2 VTH and 3 2 VTO and 3 VTH. Such features can be there. The other important aspect is that it has got a 600 TV line CMOS camera. So the camera also, the camera unit, I have not removed the sticker from the camera unit because this is my demo unit. So 600 TV lines camera we are providing at such a cheaper rate. 7 inches TFT screen is available for this product. You can see the product is highly aesthetic in terms of looks. It's IP66 product and it supports IR night vision. So we need to focus on this product. Whenever you want to use it, it is very easy for the operation, and it is easy for the installation and commissioning also. So thank you very much. I hope you liked this video, and we will be coming up with more videos in the upcoming days on all new products. So the next video we are trying to make on KTA-03, which is similar to the KTA-02M with a difference of snapshot. So I'll show you in that kit how we can take snapshots and how automatically it takes snapshot when there is a call from the VTO and nobody answers. So let's focus, and thank you very much for watching. Thanks.